Hello, my name is Peter Bentley, and earlier this year I was honoured to take part in the Shropshire Book Fest Readers to Writers project. This is a great project which aims to support teachers in the classroom to help children with their creative writing. And it culminates in the Shropshire Book Fest Writing Award, and every child that takes part in the project has a chance to submit their story to the award. As part of my contribution, I visited a number of primary schools, and I had a wonderful time meeting some really creative children, and I hope that the time we spent together contributed to their creative writing going forward, and it was just brilliant fun, essentially. And yeah, so anyway, one of the schools I visited was Gobowen Primary School, right in the far north of Shropshire, and I am absolutely thrilled to learn that Natalie Castle Green has won second place in the Key Stage 1 category of the competition for her story called The Sloth and the Sloth. Or is it The Sloth and the Sloth? Or maybe it's The Sloth and the Sloth. Or even The Sloth and the Sloth. Anyway, it sounds fantastically entertaining. So, Natalie, congratulations on coming second in your category of the creative writing competition. I mean, it is a really extraordinary and fantastic achievement to come in the top 2 out of over 340 entrants for your category. 340, just think about that. And what it means now, of course, is that you are officially a prize-winning author, and big pat on the back for that. And I hope you can carry on with your writing in the future, and above all, carry on enjoying it. So congratulations again, Natalie, and happy writing.
Second place in Key Stage 1. Well done to Natalie Castle Green with your story, The Sloth and the Sloth. Once upon a time, there were 2 fluffy sloths who lived in a tall, leafy tree. The sloths were sad because they did not have any babies. One night, the sloths got into their beds. Suddenly, they heard some noises in the trees down below them. They heard a squeak and a hit. The tree was shaking, and the sloths did not like it one bit. They were scared, and they hugged each other. That night, the sloths went down. They jumped because a spider scared them. Then an insect scared them. But they heard a squeak, and they heard a loud noise. They did not know what it was, but they were really worried. Suddenly, they heard the squeak again, but it was only the spider. Just then, they heard a scream, and the trees were shaking. The sloths did not like it, so they crept towards the noise and pulled back the leaves. They found a baby sloth that did not have a home or a mummy or a daddy. So the sloths looked after her, and they named her Annabelle. The sloth said to the baby, "You can sleep in the middle of us in the tree." And they all lived happily ever after. That was The Sloth and the Sloth. Well done, Natalie.